Oh, with my eldest sister here coming. The place, baby. Book sa side. Together, te, picture you. 1, 2. Isa pa more. Welcome po. Ayan po together with my, the most 10 years ago. Ay, nag-meet, nag-idminta, nag-uban, nag-idmin ako pinanggan. Just Gary from Manila. Yan, si nanay sa likod, oh. Ayan po. And very much happy gid karon. Workful kay nga mong fiesta.
Thank you.
Nanay from Singapore po ito. From Singapore. It's been a long time. In how many years it's been here together na po. Ayan si Nine Lids. Much happy kay yung Nine Lids na yan eh. Ayan. Together with my Colette. Apo. Look at the camera here. Come here. So, Apo daw. Bibili kami. How do you like the earthling balloon? The McQueen one. Which one of them? Huh? McQueen. Okay, that's my McQueen.
Yes.
So, okay, dito daddy. So, we'll buy ano. So, where's the balloon? Oh, we find something here. Ay, that's it. That's it one? Okay.
Over there.
Over there, alright. We buy Masti. Okay. Ay, Rico na, bili mo na daw ng ano, balloon. Balloon. We my balloon.
Hey, like,
Alright.
over there.
Oh, it's my balloon daw. Do you like the
Yeah.
McQueen one?
Yes.
Yes.
Feel ako mati.
Oh, bili ako ng McQueen ko.
Go.
Okay.
There it is.
Where is that one? Where is that ano, McQueen here? Kuya, magkano daw? 100. Wala nang ano yun, kuya?
80 lang.
This is one. Do you like it? Is the McQueen one?
Yes.
Yeah, alright.
Yay.
Do you like that? No?
Wow. It's a
Ito
balloon.
mo po yan.
Okay, careful ah. Okay, wait a minute. Hey, we have a McQueen balloon. What's your feeling now? Alright, the cutie one. That's my little one. Apo. Happy Fiesta in advance namin karon sa Crispy King din eh, guys, no? So, okay, there's a kauban ako before, oh. Ang cooking master. Do you like this one? With my ate, yan, from Singapore. Alright. Yun ba chicken, Joy? You like it? Right?